Okay, so we got a PlayStation 3 now. Hello and welcome back to this. So today we're gonna be trying to mod this PS3. We're trying to squeeze the most potential out of this thing than what Sony really allows it to do. So this is my friend's console, and I've had to do a lot just to get to this point. But yeah, let's get started. So I got this console yesterday from my family friend. I'll throw some footage up. Okay, so we're trying to get the PS3 actually working. This is my family friend. He gave me this shit. Bro, it's tweaking.
It's stuck in the corner. What are we supposed to do?
We can't do it.
Wait. We're gonna get Minecraft open.
Yeah, this is
go down! Go down!
Netflix?
Bro.
Dude, this is gonna dox your family.
What's going on with Netflix?
This is gonna dox your family.
Let's see what's up.
There's no internet.
It's gonna be an old Netflix. Is Gran Turismo disc still in here?
I think the GT disc is in there. Dude, if only if you had the thing that, like... Yeah, we have GT5 in here. We're trying to launch this or Little Big Planet or anything. Internet connection's not available yet.
This thing hasn't been plugged into the internet for ages. I'm talking back to maybe
I saw Netflix
2014, 2015.
Controller was absolutely tweaking the hell out. It was pretty funny. But yeah, I've got a new controller in. It's definitely not an official DualShock. So let's get this open now. Yeah, it doesn't even have the buttons here. I mean, it's got P3 instead of PlayStation 3. So we call it the P3 controller. So hopefully this works with the PlayStation 3. We'll see. Okay, so now we are powering on the PS3. And it is working. So now let's try and now plug in our controller here. So it came with a mini USB cable, so we can plug it into here and hit the PS button. Or it already did. Okay, and it's not immediately like hitting every single button possible, and it works. That's good to know. I wasn't actually able to fully test this PS3 because of how screwy everything was. So now that I can actually like move around, we can check what firmware this is running. Out PS3. Oh wait, no, we want system information. 4.80. We have 62 gigs out of 140. So there's quite a few things on this PS3. So I think now we're gonna try and get this thing modded. So it turns out not every PS3 is compatible with custom firmware. So we are gonna have to use this website called the PS3 Toolset to find out if we are CFW compatible. So we will now need to follow these instructions. So I've plugged into USB. So I will now go here. Let's press the PS button on my controller. See if we can connect wirelessly. Yes. Okay, so let's load into the second profile. Let me connect my internet real quick. Okay, so we have internet now. I want to just be able to, yeah, it says system software updates required. Okay, I'm just not gonna touch anything else. So, okay. It's found my USB that I plugged in. So now we have to go to the network column in the XMB here. Go to internet browser. That's good. So now we got to go triangle, tools. There's my tools. Cookies. Authentication information. Then press start. And enter. Okay, looks like it's loading it. Please adjust your system's clock. Okay, so let's just go to our settings. Sorry, time settings? It's probably just gonna be in system. Internet browser and try again. Okay, here we go. Initializing PS3 toolset. Do you want to run the plugin? Sure. Oh, it's using a Flash player vulnerability. That's kind of fun. I don't really know what all of this means. Where will it tell me if I'm compatible? CFW compatible P. Hey! Oh, wait. Still working. So it is a CFW compatible PS3. That's good. That's what we want to hear. So that means I don't have to use a homebrew enabler, which is statistically, it's probably not going to let me run Linux, which is, you know, kind of what we do on this channel. So we can now go back on my computer and we can find out what we're doing. So we're compatible. We need to go to the flash memory on the memory manager. Or wait, save flash memory backup. That's what we want. Whoa, nope. Save it to the USB, sure. So we're already technically running Homebrew just through the web browser. That's kind of funny. The fact that we can just do it through the web browser, just taking backups of everything. Okay, so let's close. Back here, let's load back on the internet browser. Okay, so it's been loaded and validated. So now we can click there. Okay, so now we have our custom memory. I don't even know what it's called. The flash memory has been patched to install different firmwares that are probably going to be better than what we have right now. So that'll probably allow us to load more custom code. So we need to now upload a custom firmware that is equal to or higher than the firmware version we have now. Get out of here, make sure it shows up. It does. And let's go to our update via storage media. Okay, 4.84.2 rebug. Okay, so apparently I was supposed to restart the PS3 before I tried to do the update. And now people, you can just say you can just unplug it because I can't hit the power button to turn it off. It just angrily beeps at me. So it really does not like doing that. So I'm just going to see if I can just pull the plug on it. And 3, 2, 1, and I already did. It's probably going to have to rebuild the database or whatever. So we'll go in PS3. Booting again now. And hopefully we can install the firmware that we need to. An update is required so it can... Well, yeah, we'll do a system update. Maybe it's not the one Sony expects, but it is an update. So hopefully it'll go past this please wait screen now. And it immediately did. Okay. Codename Rebug. Yeah, no, we're not pirating today. Start. Copying update data to the system storage. Okay, so the PS3 has restarted, apparently. So I don't really know what's happening. It's not really booting. We've got a green light still. We've got no video out. I swear, if I bricked this console. Spinning. It looks like it's just not liking my video anymore. Video capture device. USB video. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. It was my capture. Okay. Oh, that scared me. Okay. We're not doing this properly right now, so... Okay. It works. Oh, that's scary. Okay, let's see if that, Okay, that's red. So I think that means we have... If we scroll all the way down, we should have debug settings. Okay, we have debug settings. Okay. Cool. We can now do some cool things in here. This is now basically a dev kit. So we're going to be following this guide to get into Linux. So we're going to need a PS3, USB drive, image board, and Rebug REX. So we have that. A petty boot image and a keyboard and a mouse. So yeah, I got all that stuff. We'll be using the same keyboard that we used in the other video for the Chromebook. And yeah, so you can download just one file, petite boot image dtb image.bin. Package manager, install package devices from packages directory. Okay, root of my storage device. There it is. Okay, Rebug toolbox. there it is. Rebug Toolbox 2.03.06. Okay, so I found out how to get it booting. So we have to use the DTBI from this thing that we already have. And then we have to just open with 7-zip, this ISO. And then we go here, here. We extract everything to this USB drive. Okay, so now we have a disk that should have everything we need to boot Linux on the PS3. So we're gonna unplug it from there, and we're now gonna just put that. So it turns out I just don't have a f***ing brain. I forgot to resize the partition where I'm going to install the bootloader, and that took a lot longer than I thought to find the option, which ended up being right above it because I'm just really dumb. Oh my god, resize. Success, your PS3 needs to reboot. Bet. Okay. So I also think I might have wasted money on my controller because I'm using my keyboard now in the official XMB to just move around and be able to launch things. So I might have just wasted some of my money on that, which is fun. I mean, it was only like 20 bucks, so it's not the worst deal ever, but I guess we can use it on my computer as just a little gamepad. So now let's try and do the same thing. Let's go here. Since we already resized it, we can try and install Petite Boot. Hopefully we'll move past this please wait screen now. It worked. Petite Boot has been installed. Enjoy other OS. Okay, so now we go over here and we go boot other OS, use current, change the boot order, and load other OS. Hopefully this works, and I don't just get a quote black screen of death. That's what people call it when just nothing happens. Okay. Petite Boot PS3. Dude, I cannot read that. Hold on, let me make that so I can actually read it. I don't see a boot red ribbon. That's kind of live failsafe. Let's try this one. System is going down. Is it gonna start breakdancing? That's what it means by going down, or it just goes offline. Okay, wait, that's Linux. Hopefully, okay, no, it worked. Oh my god. Okay, we're 40 minutes into recording, and we finally have Linux loading. So I know a lot of you guys were talking about potentially getting Gen 2 Linux on this. I'm not sure what Red Ribbon is based on. I'll see if I can find that out right now. So yeah, for all you Gen 2 lovers out there, it's based on Debian. So yeah, tough luck to you. I'm not booting. I'm not trying anything else, man. This is taking way too long. It's been like an hour. Okay. Warning, this version is very old. Sounds good. It's fine with me. So, infamously, Sony, when they removed other OS, yeah, thank you. They also locked down access to their graphics processor, the RSX. So we do not have any graphics acceleration here. This is all running on the CPU, which fun. That's probably why all this is so slow. So we do not want to install. This is basically just a live environment. So now what I want to do, oh god, it's taking so long to just load a terminal. I think I clicked on it. Okay, it loaded it twice. So we're running LXD here. So let's just go cat/proc/CPU info. Cell broadband engine. So we got what is that? 2 cores. That's good to see. We do not have. I think we have. Whoa, there's Wi-Fi support. Okay, I'm gonna have to blur this, but I did not expect us to be able to get Wi-Fi working. No, it's just saying the network has been disconnected. What if I just try and connect to hidden? And then just put in what it's called. Wi-Fi on this? That'd be crazy. It's trying. Wow. Okay. Hold on. Dude, we have internet. Okay. Uname-A. Let's see what we're running with. Running with Linux 3.12, which actually, that's newer than most of the other ones we've looked at, honestly. Let's see what we have for internet browsers. Connect remote desktops. Those are FTP. So this is a web browser. Let's run top, see what's happening. So I want to know. Okay. Wow, our web browser. Or that's the file browser I loaded about an hour ago. That finally loaded. So what I want to know is what IP do we have, and can we IP config? ifconfig. IP. Are we just using IP? We might be because it's taking longer. Okay, cool. I want to know what my IP address is. WLAN 0. Okay. Let's see. Let's do some split screen action here. 192.168.2.246. Okay. It works. That's kind of cool. Do we have SSH? Is the real question here. Dude, my terminal is bugging out. Okay. So SSH 192.168.2. Okay, Iceweasel loaded. And now the entire system is trying to get it's getting slower. Not. Oh wow. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna find out what the default password is for this. So it turns out there really is no default password, so we can just go pass WD here. So current, we can just. What is the default password? It's not telling me what the default password is. So I guess we can't really SSH into it without a password, but what we do have is Iceweasel. You know what? Maybe what we can do is go back here. SSH at interlude.serve.new. Hopefully this is new enough to the point where we have. Yeah, it is. Okay, so let me log in with that. And we're in. Okay. This is now a this is my VPS. It's just on some host here. And we are now rooted, so we're SSH'd into it from a PlayStation 3. That's fun. Good to know. This looks like ancient Google. And okay, it's Firefox. It doesn't want to display it properly. So I don't think that's my fault. This internet browser is just kind of horrible. I'm honestly surprised this is even able to get running, because people always say that running Linux on the PS3 after Sony removed it was kind of a pain in the bum. But it didn't take that long. Most of it was just my fault on why it took so long. If I actually read the documentation correctly, it would have been way faster. But you know what? We're gonna end this off with the signature cat. Oh no. cat/proc/CPU info to show that I ain't no faker. Sony PS3. So this was a TestKit tech video. Make sure to subscribe if you guys liked it. Dislike the video if you didn't like it. Like it if you liked it. And thank you all for 2,000 subscribers. I don't know why the hell y'all are watching, but you are. There's not much I can really do about that. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.